Hi, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the MoYu Aohun Megaminx. Okay, so the box came in the mail today, and yeah, I'm pretty excited for this unboxing. But I haven't seen many reviews out yet, so I'm not sure what to expect. But yeah, let's get into it. So in the package, I also have two other cubes. They're not like new. They're just Scanner SM and Gogan Sinheng M. I just wanted to get those. Okay. So these are the three puzzles I got. Let's start with this one. So yeah, this is a Shinheng M. So let's just do first turns. Yeah, it's very dry out of the box, but yeah, I can't feel potential in this cube. Well, it is used by many top level 2x2 cubers, so I guess it'll be a good one. Okay, so let's just get this to the side. And let's open the SM and the cube itself. Okay, so my current main is a U-Shot Pro M, but it's basically dead, so yeah, I'm expecting this to be my new main. I tried other people's in competitions and I liked it a lot, so first turns, yeah, it's very nice out of the box. I guess with some breaking in and lubing, this will definitely become my main. Yeah, so now let's go on to the main event here. So the MoYu Aohun Megaminx. So the box looks like this. Okay, so yeah, here's the puzzle. So inside there's not too much. So and pamphlet. Okay, so this is the Megaminx. So yeah, first look, like this green looks darker than like the Galaxy, which I like because it can be like on the Galaxy the green and light green was like very similar, but this is very different. So that's nice. So let's just the first turns. Okay, so it's very tight out of the box, but the turning is very smooth. It's just so like the Galaxy is a little bumpy, but this thing is very smooth. Yes, and for tight tensions, the Konaka ring is not bad. Like it's very tight right now, like this. So first impressions of this cube is that it's very tight, but it does connect up well in spite of the tightness. And yeah, the reverse is very nice since it has rounded centers. Okay, so yeah, I'll break this in, lube it, and loosen it, and see how it goes. And yeah, maybe I'll try to magnetize this. I'm not sure if I can put magnets in the corners yet. I think I'll make a video of that later. Okay, so overall first impressions on these three puzzles. So the 2x2, yeah, it's a nice one. Probably gonna be my main since I don't have a new 2x2, like a good 2x2 right now. All I have is a Limpo that's like, yeah, I bought it like 3 years ago. So this is probably gonna be my main. And again, the SM is, yeah, it's a very nice cube. Yeah, it just just, yeah, phenomenal. And this Megaminx, not sure yet. Like, it's very tight right now, so I can't like say anything definite right now. But I do know that it has a lot of potential. So these are the 3 bubbles I unboxed today. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.